Hi, this is Fahim from Design Box, and today I am going to show you how you can make portrait with text effect from a photo. So let's start it. First of all, you open your Photoshop in your PC, go to the file, open. I take this legend image, select this image and open. Guys, first I need to remove this background. In the Photoshop have lot of tool to use removing background, but this time I take quick selection tool from the box. Quick selection tool and select this image like this. That's it. Then right click, select refine edge, make some hair setting to look nice and clear like this. Select new layer with layer mask, then hit OK. See the guys, our background has been removed and we have one new layer with the mask. After these things we need to make blur this image. Go to the file, blur, take Gaussian blur. The pixel is 15 is okay. 15. I take 50, then hit OK. After this, go to the file and save as. I write the name displays and save. Then go to edit, select step backward. After this step I need a solid background, so go down, select solid color. I take black color, then hit OK. Now our background is ready, so I need to place text on it. So guys, go to the file, open. I already make the text in Adobe Illustrator. Open this text. You can use your text or as you want. Select this text and drag onto the working file and make some setting like this. After, right click on the text layer, select blending option, drop shadow, multiply, opacity 75, distance should be 5, spread is okay, size should be also fine, then hit OK. Now select this background, bring down, select the text, go to the filter. This time we take distort, displays, horizontal 10, vertical 10, rest is fine, then hit OK. Now I take displays file, select and open. See the guys, after this I create the new text layer with pressing Ctrl J and rename it into watermark. Then right click, convert to smart object, yes, and unhide this layer. Then select the photo and bring up, right click, create clipping mask. Look at this guys. So I want to remove the text from the background, so I just select the mask, hold Alt and bring it down on the text. See the guys, the text is removed from the background. Now I select the photo, go down, select black and white, go down again. This time I select curves and make some adjustment. It looks very nice. I think here is okay. I go with this. You can see in the close view of the photo, it's looking very beautiful. Press Ctrl Enter to full preview. Now I want to text in the background with looks like watermark. Hold Ctrl, select this mask, press Ctrl Shift I, go down, make new layer and give this layer to color with black. Just press Ctrl backspace. After this, press Ctrl D to remove selection. Select this layer, make visible, right click, create clipping mask, then go to the opacity, make down, I go with 10%. That's it. See the guys, our beautiful poster is ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for more updates.